All right, good afternoon. Welcome to the daily recap here. Just going to quickly go over what happened today. So, if you guys can see here, we are green. Well, we're red on the Apex funded account 685 here. We did take a loss on the mechanical trade today, lost about $700 on this account. I did take some trades here this afternoon, try to make some of it back. We gave back 275 of some of it that we made earlier. And then we just got some of that back there. So basically ending up still down $700 on that account. The Bulenox funded account, this is also the other mechanical strategy account. We were up 770 today on that one. Now back in the green on that one by $150. We're up 255 on the other Bulenox funded account that I just started trading today. So kind of starting off good with that one. And we're up 280 over here on the Topstep. That puts us at, let's see here. I was trying to pull up this other trade. On the Topstep, that puts us at $491 in equity. So, still got a long way to go on it, but starting out the day green is certainly, better than red. So, we made money on the 15-minute breakout this morning to kind of give you guys an idea on that one, how that one worked. Let's see here. Just going to get back here and get it kind of pulled up. So here's the 15-minute breakout trade over here on the right side. So the idea is 2.5 to 1 risk to reward. So we're risking 15 for 37.5 handles, 38 handles. Once we cross 22 handles, we move the stop to break even. So as you can see right here, this line was the 15-minute breakout. That's right there where I entered. Stops at the 49. Target's 96. What you guys can't see is that off screen here, the ES is approaching the VWAP at the same time that we're moving down. So you can see right there, we crossed 20 handles. So I lock in 15. At least what I thought was 15. 19 flat would have been 15, but my crazy crooked math got us at 1975 there. So anyways, we push down. We're up almost $600 on this trade right here. And we end up only locking in $280, which feels kind of bad there. I wish I could have got more. But based on my back testing, if we hit 22 handles, we either hit the target of 37 handles or we get stopped out for a loss. So that's my reasoning for moving the stop loss into profit here. Once we hit 22 handles, then you want to move it into profit to guarantee something so that you don't end up losing money. So it does kind of hurt that we were up almost $600 on the trade and we only took 280, but it is what it is, right? So that's kind of how the mechanical strategy works there. It's just a 15-minute breakout. That's all it is, breakout, breakdown. And then on the other strategy, you see we're getting stopped out there for 280. And in fact, this came back up and would have stopped us out right there for a loss had we not locked in some profit. So based on the back testing, that kind of paid off there. So then I had some errands to run, so I put on the mechanical strategy trade over here on the left. And it had us getting short at 62, target down at 92. Well, what happens? It pushes back up and retests 40, but does not come get us at 62. And then it trades right through our target, which I wasn't in love with, but I was not at home. I probably would have taken this trade off there, but since I wasn't at home, we just let it ride. It chopped around this morning, made a couple of more pushes back up, and then around 1 o'clock tags us in right there. And then it's a pretty swift kill here. Obviously there's liquidity resting above here, and it just went straight for that. Tagged us out at 97, and it traded up to like 107. And then, obviously went back down, but almost back to the 92s. So that's just kind of what happened today. Overall, pretty happy with how the day went. I did kind of FOMO into some trades here in the afternoon. I held this one. I had an opportunity to close this one break even quite a few times. If you zoom in there, you can see. Could have closed it for break even once or twice, or even a little bit in the profit, and didn't. Ultimately took a $200 loss. And then up here did some stuff that I probably shouldn't have done. We took a little $180 winner right there at the end of the day, but kind of got back the 275 that we lost. So that's going to do it. On the Topstep account, we entered the day with, let's take a look at it. It hasn't reset yet. We were at $211 in profit, and our drawdown was negative 445. So what is that? $655. So we added another 280 to that, almost 300. So $935 will be our drawdown going into tomorrow. So much needed space on that account there. But I appreciate you guys watching. We will be live again tomorrow for the New York session. If you haven't yet already, hit that like button, subscribe, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching.